Pakistan's sabotage attempts via drones continue even after Operation Sindoor, a month since hostilities were put on hold by India and Pakistan. After Operation Sindoor, the neighbor continues to provoke India by dropping arms and ammunitions through drones. Data reviewed by CNN News 18 shows that 24 drones were brought down by the Border Security Force (BSF) between May 14 and June 8. This was immediately after India put Operation Sindoor on hold and both sides agreed to a cessation of hostilities after airstrikes over 3 days. India began Operation Sindoor on the intervening night of May 7 and 8, targeting terror hubs in Bahawalpur, Muridka, and 7 other locations. On May 10, the Pakistan DGMO called his Indian counterpart, and an agreement was reached to hold fire. Union government data reveals that from May 713, 4 drones were sent by Pakistan, carrying payloads of small arms and narcotics in the Punjab sector. On the early morning of May 8, Pakistan had sent a swarm of drones over Jammu and Kashmir, Punjab, and Rajasthan as a retaliatory response to India's anti-terror action. However, as per defense officials, most of these drones did not carry any payload and appeared to be for the purpose of surveillance. From January 1, 2025, to April 22, 2025, when the Pahalgam attack was carried out, a total of 35 drones were recovered or downed by BSF. The number fell to 17 between April 23 and June 6 before Operation Sindoor began. Swipe left for next video. On June 10. BSF Punjab Frontier recovered a DJI Mavic 3 classic drone near Tarn-Taran's Mirdapur. A total of 484 grams of heroin wrapped in a yellow polythene with an iron loop and illuminating strip were also recovered. On June 5, a DJI Air 3 drone was also recovered from the same area. 46 live 9mm rounds were recovered separately from the India-Pakistan border area. On June 1, 4 drones carrying narcotics were recovered, of which 2 were damaged. The same pattern of DJI drones carrying narcotics was observed all through the last week of May, BSF officials in Punjab sector said. This year, so far, more than 100 drones have been brought down by BSF in Punjab sector, as per official data. Latest blogs.